Is your Ninja Creami leaking liquid during a spin cycle? Leaks usually come from the lid, paddle area, or overfilled pint, and they're fixable. Let's go step by step to stop the mess. Step 1. Don't overfill your pint container. Liquid expands when frozen. Filling past the max line can push mix out during processing and leak through the lid. Step 2. Make sure the lid is fully locked. Twist the lid until it clicks into place. A loose lid can cause splashing or leaks around the seal when the paddle starts spinning. Step 3. Check the outer bowl for cracks or residue. Hairline cracks or sticky buildup can prevent a proper seal between components. Inspect the bowl and rinse it clean before each use. Step 4. Inspect the blade and lid seal. Look for food buildup around the paddle shaft and under the lid. If the seal is damaged or dirty, it may let liquid escape during the cycle. Step 5. Use a towel under the bowl if testing new recipes. If you're trying a high moisture or experimental base, place a towel under the bowl just in case until you know how it behaves. Still leaking after all that? You may have a warped lid, worn seal, or cracked bowl. Ninja support link is in the description if you need replacements. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and happy spinning.